Hello, welcome to HiCAD ShortClip. In this video I will be presenting you how to exchange externally referenced parts subsequently in a detailed drawing. For this I have loaded this drawing. Here we see the assembly including the base sheet, which is already externally referenced, meaning that we also have a detailed drawing. I would create a detailed drawing for this protective grid receiver, more precisely not including the external reference yet, but a detailed drawing with options. An article master can be created, and with this we would assign an article master to the protective grid receiver. Here we have to decide which drawing frame we would like to choose. In this case it's DIN A4, and one view would be enough. We create the view, the document is also enough, and now we save this. Then go back to the main drawing. And here I would go after it subsequently and reference the part externally. In this case, we only save it as a part, and the article master should be applied from the set part. So now we reference the components externally. All identical parts have been included in the referencing. And now we will have a look at the detailed drawing. And we would like to exchange the referenced part. If I make a change in the main drawing, it will also affect the detailed drawing. For this there's a new function, namely via drawing, exchange, and exchange via link. With this it is ensured that the externally referenced part has been exchanged in the detailed drawing. If we go to the drawing and maybe apply a chamfer to the edges, and in the meantime save everything, go back to our main drawing and see that the parts have been exchanged. Here is also the dialog for the associative dimensioning, by which we can set whether the dimensions have to be redetermined from the geometry or should be highlighted with colors. This dialog window has been enhanced too. Now with the external referencing, which we added subsequently in the detailed drawing, has been updated in the main drawing too. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.